Zoom has a couple of nice features for those of you who are concerned about updates. Let's take a look at our settings. If you'll click on your profile picture, go down to Settings, and then let me grab this little screen and bring it back over here. Under the General tab, we can scroll down to where it says Zoom Workplace App. By default, everyone who has Zoom installed should expect that updates are automatic. So we see that here, Update App Automatically. The other thing that defaults in Zoom is we see that updates are set on a slow track. If you are set to the slow track, you should expect to get updates from Zoom every 1 to 2 months. For those who want to opt into the fast track, they will see more frequent updates, and they should expect to get new features more quickly than people in the slow track. If you are in the slow distribution track, what that means is that you only want to get updates that have been tested and vetted to make sure that they're stable and totally okay to use. If you go with a fast track, you may get newer things sooner and more frequently, but you shouldn't expect that it would be anything that would break your use of Zoom. Just another little piece of information from Zoom about updates. If you have items scheduled on your calendar, if you're getting ready to go into a Zoom meeting, Zoom knows not to push the update at that time. Zoom will instead wait until a time when you don't have a meeting. So what that means for you as a Zoom user, especially if you're using it regularly, is that it might be a good idea to leave Zoom pulled up for times outside of when you're actually using it so that it can maybe push those updates and go ahead and run them. But you can also force updates, and we'll show that in a separate segment. To update Zoom, we're just going to hit the Windows key and search for Zoom to open it. And then we are going to click on our profile picture as soon as the app loads. Okay, we're going to navigate up to the profile picture now. And then we're going to select Check for Updates. Once that launches, Zoom automatically starts matching your current version against the one that's sitting out there waiting to upload. So now we're just going to click Install. It'll quickly close and reopen Zoom, and then we'll see a confirmation message that indicates that Zoom has updated. And if we want to go back in and check to see, there we see our Zoom Workplace app is updated. If we want to check to see if that's actually been updated fully, we can go back, check for updates, and we'll get another confirmation that we are up to date.